what is called falling from the cliff. That is what has happened with US30 and US100 yesterday. If you recall my weekly analysis, did not I give you the trading range or the high for the week at around 32,600 800 zone, and for US100 at 14 12 500 600 zone. So precisely both the indices have achieved the levels and seen a good drop yesterday, despite the very strongest drop we have seen on US100. Now what is going to happen today, which levels we should take, what could be expected out of these instruments throughout the day, and then before I come up with my next analysis for US cash session, I am going to tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look at US100 followed with US30. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end. So let's start the day with US100 first. US100 right now trading at 11,860 levels. This is the 2-hour charts, and you can see lower highs and lower lows. Probably once it goes past this zone at 11,900, I will say rather once it goes past 11,920, yes, you can expect that it is going to show you a little reversal. The target is towards 12,000 and 12,100. Because we have seen a good drop, it may follow up with little retracement before it drops again. That is my expectation. So on the 2-hour charts, yes, you can go long above 11,920 levels, beyond which you can expect 12,000 12,100 levels again on US100. Now look at the directional movement is still bearish, and it is too much widened here, and hence it should start converging a bit, converging a little. The stochastic is extremely oversold, hence a reversal should come out. MACD is wide and extremely divergent here, and indicative of that it should start converging. Now look at last few candles. The peak is done, it appears, and with the last few candles stabilizing, probably one can expect that it may try to converge slowly and try to enter into bullish tide. Hence a reversal beyond 11,920 should be considered good for trading long. The stochastic RSI on the 2-hour charts is oversold here too. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, you will observe that similarly the candle size is diminishing in nature. Lower lows are being done, and yes, if you see it trading beyond this zone at 12,920, you can expect that it is going to head towards 12,000 12,100. 200 levels cannot be denied. With that, it may try to complete this lower highs or the channel highs at around 12,300 350 levels, and from there again it may try to drop. So there is a probability of it to retrace, go long about 12,920. MACD is still divergent, is still bearish. Stochastic is oversold here, and direction movement is bearish, and stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent, extremely divergent, but it appears to see the gradient of these two. It appears that the high is done, and probably it may start to converge again on the buy side. The RSI is oversold, and it should start reversing or come back to comfortable levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see it suggests that there is still some room for it to drop. However, look at this, see the previous two candles, a smaller body size, lower highs, lower lows. So yes, once you see it about 12,920, there only one should go long. Else, yes, if you see it below 11,800 again, then one can expect that the next 4-hour candle could be further sharp, which will take it towards 11,600 500 levels. So yes, below 11,800 go short, above 11,920 one can remain long. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, and it should reverse. MACD is just crossed over 3 candles, and it is divergent, it is still bearish. RSI is trading flat. So yes, on the 4-hour charts, it is still having some room for it to drop. Look at the daily charts now. See, on the daily charts, lower lows are being done, and also one must try to see what it is indicating. See, we have seen a high at around these levels, and this candle failed to do so, and yes, from here one can expect that we have seen the lows too. Where is the pivot? The pivot is right now at around 12,200 levels. So once it tries to break beyond 11,920, one can expect that it may try to come back to the equilibrium levels at 12,200, and in fact it can try to go back towards 12,350 levels if it continues to reverse from these levels. So a possibility exists that we can remain long beyond 11,920, and then it can try to show you a good rise. That is my expectation. Below 11,800 definitely it will continue to drop. The directional movement is bearish, it is widening. The stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is just again crossed over on the sell side, and probably we may see how it behaves here, and RSI is also near to bottom. So in sum, go long above 11,920, go short below 11,800. In between these 120 points, do not trade above 11,920. First target 12,000, next target 12,080, 12,100 zone, and beyond 12,100 we may see it coming to 12,180, 200. After that 12,350, 400 cannot be denied. On the downside, if it breaks below 11,800, one can go short. Then on the downside, we can expect 11,600 levels and 11,500 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the 2-hour charts almost getting the support here at 31,300, and with that as support it is trying to reverse. Once you see it trading above 31,500, one can expect that it may try to give you a reversal till towards 31,700, 31,800 plus levels. How high it can go? Now look at the reversals here. It can try to see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Probably if it continues to rise, we may see it 31,900 first, and then towards 32,100, 200 zone, which is probable that it can try to strike if it continues to trade with this bullish bias. See, directional movement is extremely divergent. It should start converging, indicating a probable bullishness. The stochastic is oversold. It must look upwards. It must go upwards. MACD is wide divergent, and it is still indicating that the bearishness. See the slope here. See the last few candles almost flat bottom, and hence a probable convergence from here must start, and we can remain bullish. RSI is oversold. It must look upwards. It must come out of this oversold levels, and hence a little reversal can be expected. 31,700, 800, 32,000 levels cannot be denied. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Last few candles, lower lows are been done. Here the support is here at 31,350 levels, and with that as support it is trying to reverse. See the size of the candle. The previous two candles has shown the increasing body size, and if it has to reverse, one can only go long about 31,500, then 31,600 and 31,800 levels cannot be denied, and beyond that we can see 32,000, 32,200 also. On the downside, if it breaks 31,300, then only I will recommend you to go short rather. So till the time it is trading above 31,300, I will expect it to bounce back a little. See, the directional movement is still bullish. The stochastic is oversold and must try to bounce back. The MACD is wide divergent and is still trading with bearish bias. However, I think the peak is done and probably convergence must start from here. How sharp it is, that is what we need to see. The RSI was oversold. Now looking upwards, it must try to come out of this zone. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart similarly lower lows have been done, and it is trying to come back till 31,550 levels. So yes, once you see it above 31,500, 550 zone, or rather I'll say 31,500 itself, once you see it trading above 31,500 and sustaining above 31,500 zone, one can expect that 31,550, and beyond that one can expect that it is going to reverse sharply. Target is going to be 31,700, 800, and try, in fact it can try to come back till towards 32,200 levels. Now look at the directional movement. It is still bearish but trading flat there. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over, and it has still got some room for it to accommodate for a little drop, but I will be watchful. And RSI is trading near to the bottom there. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart similarly, see, it has seen the bottom. It has almost seen the lower lows there. Probably a retracement from here can be expected. Now look at the previous drop there, where it is already seen 31,200. Higher lows are being seen, and with that as a support, it is trying to reverse from here. The target could be, probably it may try to come back. First target at 32,000, and then 32,200, 250 levels cannot be denied, trading beyond which it will try to recover completely. So yes, I will be expecting it to reverse, but till the time it trades above 31,300, then and then only. If it drops below 31,300, I will expect a sharper drop. So with the stop loss at 31,300, one can stay long here on US30. Rather, I will say go long at 31,520, 550 zone, where you can expect a sharper rise beyond which levels. So beyond that, 31,700 first target, 31,800 next target, 32,000 next target, and 32,200 is the next target. Look at the directional movement is extremely bearish. It must start to converge. and stochastic looking downwards indicating bearishness there. The MACD has again crossed over on the sell side. This is just a second red candle. It needs a strong reversal for it to cross over on the buy side again. Then the RSI trading near to the bottom. Considering this, for the day, go short at 31,300 only. Below 31,300, 31,200 should be a very strong support, and below that it will drop below 31,000 level. So if it trades today below 31,200, it will drop below 31,000 for sure. It will try to hit 30,900 and 30,700 levels. On the upside, if it breaks above 31,550, one can expect that it may try to hit 31,700, 32,800, 32,800, and then 31,700, 31,800, and then 32,000 levels, and beyond that we can expect 32,200 levels also. So take your positions accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. You can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June. This is going to be the 11th batch, and the strategy is taught, the methodology is taught, will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Reach out to me for details. You can also be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram channel IDs and email ID are mentioned in the description. You can reach out to me directly, and I will definitely provide the clarity. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.